All right, let's talk about the Shark PowerDetect robot vacuum. It vacuums and it mops, and you don't have to touch it. You know, it says never touch, but I mean, every once in a while you got to clean out the little bin, you know. That's everything it does. It's pretty cool. We've had it for 3 or 4 months. I don't remember exactly how long we've had it, but it's really neat. So we set it up over here. It's sitting here by the couch. And there she is, and it has a little mopping pad on it that'll mop, but if you just have it set to vacuum, it leaves a little mopping pad behind. So you can just pull this off here. There's a little mopping pad, has a little bin here you fill up with the water and the soap. And then over here is a little bin where you empty out the stuff that the vacuum finds around the house. And I can just push this back up on here. And then right here, there's a little filter. So when it comes back and comes to the base, it sucks everything out of the vacuum. And this is the suction that sucks everything out of the vacuum into this bin. And I'm not gonna lie, I just found this morning. I didn't know it was there. So for 3 months, I haven't cleaned this. You just clean it with water. It pulls out. So I just put it in the sink and just washed it off, rinsed it off with water. You throw that sucker back in there. But this thing is really cool. We really like it. I have it set up to where it comes out at 8 o'clock every morning and vacuums the entire house. I mean, you can't beat that. And this is supposed to be like a 2-month bin here. I change it out once a week, once every 2 weeks. We've got 2 dogs that we acquired last summer. And, dog hairs everywhere. And we have these bamboo floors. And they leave dog hair everywhere. So this just goes out every morning and it takes care of business, and it just keeps this place a little kept up, It's not perfect, but man, you never have to worry about it, and you just let it go. I mean, you can't beat it. I'll leave a link to it in the description so you can check it out on Amazon, pick it up yourself if you want. But it's just so cool. It's just so cool. And it comes right back to the base. So there is an app, and you download the Shark app on your phone, and you set this thing up, and then you let it go and explore. And it'll explore your house, and it'll explore the floors, and it'll find out where everything is, where your furniture is, and it'll map out your entire house. And it also maps out which floors have carpet and which floors have hardwood floors. So when you go to mop, it will raise its little butt up so it doesn't drag the mop across your carpet. Now, I will say this, when we first set this up, we set it up in our dining room, and our dining room is carpeted. And when it went to mop, it had a real issue with trying to get back on the dock. It couldn't do it because it didn't want to get the carpet wet, and it would never be able to return to its dock. It would just spin around in front of it and give up. It would just, calf rope, I give up. So we moved it onto the hardwood floor and have no issues ever since. It will pick its butt up. If it gets stuck on something, it'll try to rock off of it. It's still, if you leave a bag laying around, it's gonna, get stuck on it, but it'll roll over paper. Your kids leave their papers and school papers laying around, it'll roll over it. It won't suck it up. It'll roll right past it. And it's got this never stuck technology. That's where, it picks its butt up to try to get over it. But we really like it. I think it's a win. It's a win. This is the vacuum and mop robot Shark PowerDetect. I mean, if this is something that you've been looking at, this is the one. I did a lot of research on it, and this is the one I ended up with. So if you have one, let me know in the comments if you like it, and if you actually buy one, if you like this video and you buy one, let me know. Thanks for watching.